Oh, welcome to my week 14 summary. We are currently 2 weeks away from the final. So the overviews for week 14 from Monday to Wednesday. We basically just did the same thing. We worked on the Arduino project book, and we are working on this just to be prepared for our final project. Is where we actually do all the Arduino stuff and coding. Well, the overviews of this book, we work from project 1 to 10, and we just putting stuff together for the first four, and then slowly we implemented the coding in. And honestly, I thought this book was really interesting. I like everything I did about it. I actually learned about a thing about the part, like the resistor, transferring the electrical current, and this wire right here. The wire is act as like a bridge, so that the power from this side can be transferred to the other side, which is like a bridge. It's actually cool. So my favorite project so far from working from all of these gotta be my what is it? The digital hourglass. Let me find it here. Sorry. And gotta be right here, right? No. Hello. Wasting time. Uh-oh. Uh, this gotta be it. Pause. Oh my god, bro! I'm serious. Like I just found it, and I lost track of it. Oh, Project 8. My bad. I'm sorry about that. So, for this project, we plugging these in together, and these LED glass will work as like a light source from the power. So basically, we connect all these in, and this is act as a tilt switch, which is pretty weird. I don't know why it needs to be tilted, but So we just plug it in, and that's not it. So we have to code it in, so that these LED light would light up. It doesn't just light up. So from these code right here, we plug it into the Arduino, and then we press upload. So one thing that to be noticed is the long interval. Since we want the LED light to light up every 10 minutes, we can make it shorter by like 5 seconds by changing the long interval of 600,000 to about 10,000 or 1,000, and that would make the LED light up so much faster, which is pretty cool. And the other project was really cool to learn. We just did a lot of stuff on the Arduino project book, and yeah, thank you.